Hello, dear friend. Very welcome to my little kitchen. Today, I want to tell you the story of finding another medicine, good medicine for COVID if you contaminated with it. I hope not. I hope no one get it. But if happen, I found a solution. I had a positive test at COVID in January, and it was so bad. I was very sick. My body ached. I had a sore throat. I couldn't taste anything. I couldn't smell very well, and I had a very high fever for 3 days. And then after that, when all of this getting better, my body ache goes a little getting smoother, but the cough couldn't. I was so tired of coughing, and it was so painful when I coughed because I had a headache and I had muscle ache and everything, and especially on my throat area and my chest area. Well, one day I went to my pantry and I found a jar of apple cider, spiced apple cider, that I bought it before in a Christmas time. And I was thinking to myself that it's better to bring it and drink it instead of before it getting bad. I warm it up and drink it in the morning, around noon and afternoon, and it's gone. All done. My cough gone. So I found a solution for my cough, because whatever home remedies medicine that I knew, I tried, and it didn't help with my cough, but this one helped. So as we know, the apple cider juice is different than apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is sour, and we can have it we mix it with the water, or we can have it on our salad. But the apple cider has some spice in it. So the other day I went to the store and I checked all the stores that I knew that they may have it, but they said no, because it's seasonal, we don't have it. So I found how to make it. So for making the apple cider, then I find it it's so simple, so easy, and so beneficial. To make the apple cider, you need 3 or 4 apples, depend on the size of your apples. 1.5 liter or a quarter and half of boiling water, and 1 orange, 1 big orange, and if you don't have a big one, you can have the 2 small one and 2 medium one. And then the other thing that we needed, a bag of mulling spice. The mulling spice that you guys can provide it everywhere. They have it at the store, and it contains cinnamon, clove, and orange peels pieces. But if you don't have those, you can use the spices at home. And we need cinnamon stick, 4 cinnamon sticks, about 10 pieces of the clove. The clove piece, that is the whole clove, not the grounded one, because the whole give the spice, but it doesn't taste that strong. And 3 or 4 pieces of the anise. The spice, the anise is the star, look like a star one, and then you can have 2, 3 or 4 of those pieces and add to that water. So you cut the apple, take the seeds out, and cut the orange with the peel and everything, but take the seeds out, because the seeds causing the bitterness of the juice. Put it on that one and add the hot water to it and let it to boil. And as soon as it's boiling, turn it off, put the lid on, and let it to get cold. And as soon as it's cooling, you can strain it and put it in the strainer and take the juice out. I did the same, and then the juice I put it in a jar and start drinking it. But the whole leftover, I put it in my Vitamix, and because Vitamix is very strong, I mixed everything together. All the spices, apples, oranges, and everything, and mix it and then add the hot water to it and drink that one as a tea as well. So after 3 days, there wasn't any cough, any body ache, any uh, any symptoms of my COVID left on my body, and then I had my good energy. I had a good health, and then I found it. After that, I whoever got the cough or had that problem, I just suggested to them, and then their cough gone, and they had a very good. Uh, they get better when they use that and drink that apple cider. Since then, I was thinking to make that video, but there wasn't any chance because I totally forget about it, and I was busy as well. And then yesterday, I find out the friend of mine had a COVID, and I suggested to him to drink that apple cider. And another friend of mine, she said that she had it last month, and I suggested to her as well, and she's still coughing. I said, if you drink this one, you would get better. And I promised to make that video. And I hope you guys never get sick. But if something happened or somebody's sick around you, because the COVID is not gonna go away soon, so it's better to have that solution. And if we tell the other people to use it, this one doesn't have any side effect, and in fact has lots of benefit for our body. So this is something that you may share, you may suggest, and you may provide it, and you guys drink it as much as you can. I hope you stay healthy, happy, and have a happy life. And remember, today, right now, is that future that we were waiting for it yesterday. So try to be happy and enjoy this moment. This is your life. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your time. And I hope to see you soon on next video. Have a nice time and have a great moment.